Hello everyone. In today's class we will discuss how to make an half adder using the NAND gate. So NAND gate is an universal gate using which we can draw any other circuit diagram. So if in half adder sum will be written as like a bar b plus ab bar, and carry will be written as like a b. So there can be one AND gate can be used for this, one AND gate can be used for this one, and one other AND gate can be used for the output of these two. So in this representation we have to use only NAND gate. So if we want to, we need a bar here, so we need to convert a into a bar. So we will use one NAND gate here for the conversion of a into a bar. It will be a bar b for this AND gate, and other one is a b bar. So we use one NAND gate here to convert the value of b into b bar. So a b bar. So the output of a bar b and a b bar, a bar b and a b bar will be act as an input for the another NAND gate, and it will gives us the output in form of sum. If we draw carry using the NAND gate, it need A and B. There is no need of any bar form. We need only A and B. So we'll take A from here, B from here. It will gives us the form of A or b. So we need to convert it into the form of a and b. So we need to use another AND gate that will give us the output of carry. So next is the representation of full adder using the NAND gate. If we talk about full adder, sum can be represented as a bar b bar c plus a bar b c bar plus a b bar c bar plus a b c, and carry can be written as a b plus b c plus a c. Same in the form of like half adder, there can be four NAND gate can be used for one for this expression 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four NAND gates can be used for solving these, and one another NAND gate can be used for all of these four outputs like this. So if we draw a bar b bar c, we need a bar, so we have to make another NAND gate here to convert the value of a into a bar, b into b bar. A bar output will become here a bar, b bar and c. It will act as an input for this NAND gate. For the next expression we need a bar, b and c bar. So we need to convert the value of a into a bar using the NAND gate and c into c bar using the NAND gate. It will act as an input for this NAND gate. For the another expression is a b bar c bar. We need to convert the value of b and c into the b bar and c bar using the NAND gate. And last expression is a b c. So all of these value act as an input for these NAND gates, and it will gives us the corresponding output. And all of these output act as input for this NAND gate. Like with here we have to OR these value, but we need to use only the NAND gate. So we will use here NAND gate, and all of these output act as an input for this NAND gate, and it will gives us this value of sum. So the next logical expression is for the carry. We have to draw the logical circuit diagram for carry, that is AB plus BC and AC. So we need three AND gate for AB, one for BC and one for AC, like this here. One NAND gate can act as output, it will take input A and B. This NAND gate take input B and C, and this will take input A and C, and all of these, and it will gives us the corresponding output, and these output act as an input for this NAND gate, and it will gives us output in the form of carry. So this is the logical circuit diagram of full adder using the NAND gate. Thank you so much.